Hello everybody, this is Bill the Adjuster with the Metro Smart Claim Tip of the Week. This week's tip is so appropriate for the holiday. What are you cooking on your grill this Memorial Day? So usually people have a barbecue, they have a grill, they have it all set up, but they have it up on their deck, maybe close to the house, and all of a sudden the grill catches fire, or the grill gets too hot, or the grill's too close to the house, or something falls out of the grill. But there's all kinds of grilling mishaps. There is the explosion from you hit the little red clicker button half a dozen times, hopefully nobody gets hurt. Finally it blows the lid off. There is the put in too much fuel on a charcoal grill and it flares up. There's the gas grill that is turned on to high to burn off what you didn't finish last time. And ultimately, these can create losses. I don't think a summer has went by that we haven't done 25 back of the house grill claims involving some sort of damage to the building. Pretty common is the grill up close to the house, probably the most common. So the grill's too close to the house, it gets really hot, and most houses today are sided with vinyl. If it's sided with vinyl, it'll melt that siding. It only takes little over 100 and some degrees, maybe 120, 130 degrees to start melting that siding, and that grill's up there 400 or 500 degrees, and all of a sudden you're going to have damage to your siding. Taking a look at the picture there, that's a pretty common grill burn. So the grill's not that far, maybe 4 or 6 inches from the house. It gets too hot. Most of them vent out the back, and as it vents out the back, it's actually melting that siding. It's not uncommon for it to actually melt the window, even the frames next to the door, but this can be a substantial insurance claim depending on how much siding you have and how repairable your siding is, but it's an incredibly common event. Don't be real upset about it because a lot of people do it, and it is covered by homeowners insurance. The other is actually something comes out of the grill, an ember, or something comes out of the bottom of the grill that's on fire and melts through or burns your decking. This happens quite often with fire pits as well. So if you have a fire pit, an ember jumps out of the fire pit, burns the deck. These are covered claims. And in a case like this, it actually burnt through, might have been under the grill. So we'll find it where the grill's looking fine, people don't realize it, and all of a sudden the smell changes from burgers and dogs to beams and boards. And it's actually burning underneath of the grill. So in that case, again, covered insurance claim, even though it's, quote, your fault, it is a covered insurance claim. So again, don't beat yourself up so bad, but these are common insurance claims in the summer months for sure. So homeowners covers it. Rebuild that house. Put it back like this one. Found a really great picture of a house with a very nice deck, a very nice pool, and some really nice siding. Hopefully your house looks like that as well. Hopefully it looks even closer after the insurance claim, but homeowners does cover it. Hope and wish everyone a happy Memorial Day. Enjoy your family and friends, certainly after the long year we have had. Hopefully get outside and enjoy that grill. Be careful not to melt the siding or damage the deck. So thank you, and please share this video with anybody. Sharing is caring is my new motto of the month. We offer, again, a free policy review, anything you need as far as your homeowner policy and claim process goes. We can assist you with that. If you were invited on to watch this video by Metro Claim Rep, you can contact them, or you can contact me directly at smartclaim at metropa.com. I'd be glad to make an episode about it.